Beef stroganoff with pasta? Why? When it's way better with potatoes. Today, we're cooking the most comforting, delicious, and absolutely no fuss beef stroganoff. Let's watch how to make it. What we want to do first is to prep ingredients. I am cooking for 3 people today, so 6 medium potatoes, a large yellow onion, and a clove of garlic will make 3 portions plus a little extra for the next day lunch. After peeling the potatoes, rinse them in a colander under tap water. Then drain and dice potatoes into fairly large pieces, transfer to a large bowl filled with cold water, and leave it there for another bath. This will wash away the excessive amount of starch, which eventually will make fried potatoes crispy. Next step is to peel the onion and slice it thinly. Peel and mince the garlic as well and set both the onions and the garlic aside. Now let's prepare the beef. Typically, I make beef stroganoff from tender cuts, like tenderloin or sirloin, but this time I decided to try the top round roast, and it turned to be pretty tender as well. For today's beef stroganoff, I will cut about 700 grams of beef into short strips, about 1.5 to 2.5 centimeters in length and 1 centimeter in thickness. Then place the meat in a large bowl, season with salt and pepper, and mix. After that, I will add a little flour, about 1/3 of a cup, and toss to coat the beef strips evenly. To sear the beef, take a large pan and heat a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil, preferably with higher smoking point like safflower oil. When the oil starts shimmering, it is time to sear the beef. Working in batches, as I don't want to crowd the pan to cook it for hours, I am adding beef strips and cooking with a few stirs until browned on all sides. When meat is cooked, transfer it to the plate, return the pan to the stove, and reduce the heat to medium. Add the onions. I always add the juice from the seared beef. This helps deliver more flavor to the onions. Then cook, stirring constantly until softened for about 4 minutes. If onions are sticking to the pan, deglaze the pan with water, scrape it with a spoon, and cook the onions for a couple more minutes. Next step is returning the meat to the pan with onions and giving it a good stir. After that, clear the center of the pan with a spoon and add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Fry it in the center of the pan for about a minute, constantly stirring to avoid sticking to the pan and burning sugars that are in the tomato paste. Then add 2 or 3 tablespoons of sour cream or creme-fraiche and stir again. The beef and onions look a little bit dry, so let me add about half a cup of water, give it another stir, cover the pan with a lid, and cook on medium to low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. 5 minutes before turning the heat off, add the minced garlic and stir again. Now let's return to the potatoes. In a large skillet, heat the vegetable oil. After rinsing and draining the potatoes, pat them dry with paper towels. Then fry potatoes until cooked and golden brown on 1 or 2 sides of each piece. And of course, don't forget to season potatoes with salt. To add some fiber to the dinner, let's make a simple green salad. In a serving bowl, combine any kind salad leaves you have in the fridge with a lemony mustard dressing. I like large open plates for a dinner, and to plate the beef stroganoff, I place a couple large serving spoons of potatoes in the center of the plate and top them with the beef in its thick sauce. Then I garnish it with minced cilantro and serve with a simple green salad on the side. Hope you enjoyed this version of beef stroganoff, and if you did and want the recipe, just check out the description below, and why not give us some thumbs up. There are other fabulous episodes that may catch your eye, so I suggest checking them out as well. And for today, that was it. Take care, and we will meet again in the next video.